Good day, friends. Welcome to Wisdom on Wednesdays. I want to ask you today, how high is your offense? I've got this wall, this fence here next to me, and you can see as I'm standing here, it's about to the height of my head. I want to ask you, how high is your offense? Because we all have a certain level of touchiness in our lives. We all struggle a little bit with offense. We take offense with other people. And we should have some barriers in our life. We should have an offense, a fence that protects us from taking offense. How high is your offense? Or is it very low, your barrier? So you easily take offense. Or is it high and you don't easily take offense? Now, Proverbs 19, verse 11 says, a person's wisdom yields patience. Wisdom leads to patience. And it is one's glory to overlook an offense. It's your glory to overlook an offense. You know why we shouldn't take offense? Because it will just cloud your day. Puts a root of bitterness in your heart. It makes you feel rejected. It just steals all your pleasure and your joy. And that's why the Bible says that the wise person learn to yield patience. Patience with circumstances, other people around you, situations, things that you don't have control over. It helps you to have a high level, a high fence, so that you do not take offense. And that gives you peace. It gives you the ability to live with freedom, and it gives you the ability to love God, and there's nothing between you and Him. Because offense is a wall between Him and you. So you must choose where your fence is. Is it behind you, protecting you from offense, or is it between you and God? Is it clouding your day? Choose your fence wisely. Be patient and do not take offense. Friends, God bless you, and I see you next week on Wow.